This shiur is on Tefilla. We are doing the Yutimel Mitzvot of Avraham, 13 attributes of kindness of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. We got to the 8th one. The 8th one is Nozter Chesed. Nozter Chesed. What does Nozter mean? Nozter means stores the kindness, the merciness. Like Mishra Hamel says, Nozter Te'ena Ochel Proteha. Somebody who watches Te'ena fig tree, it's the fruit of it. Fig tree is very sweet. And people watch it, but they give up. After a while, they give up. They can't watch it anymore. As Shomer says, Nozter is a stronger lotion than Shomer. Shomer also means watching and keeping something. But Nozter is a much stronger lotion. Somebody who has a teshuka and desire to watch it, finally, he eats the fruit of it. And unfortunately, we are living in a society that people, they give up, very easily give up. You give diamond to a person, has to work a little bit for it, it drops. And they go after cents, and they easy going, easy coming. Nobody wants to work. Now here, not so chesed. When it comes to kindness, HaKadosh Baruch Hu is who watches the kindness. Somebody does a small act, something, HaKadosh Baruch Hu watches that. And we see that HaKadosh Baruch Hu watches the chesed of the Abu. All of the kindness that we get, it's not on merit, it's the chesed of Abu. Why? Because Avraham, Yaakov worked so hard for HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Hashem keeps that chesed and kindness till now. Therefore, when we are saying that, what should go on in our mind? Should go on in our mind, what type of chesed I received from anybody? From my childhood till now. How many people did me chasadim? How many people did give me kindness? And I should respond to that chasadim and kindness that I got. Once I adapt that mitzvah, we said, all of the people of Rachamim is, I didn't say, read it, I will answer you. So, as to Chesed, if you do like this, there you're not going to be empty-handed. What does doing mean? To be adapted in yourself. Somebody does a kindness to you. Now, the biggest proof in Torah we find from Moshe Rabbeinu. The Midianim come and destroy the Kahal Israel. They have such a plot. They send their brothers to Kahal Israel and they take them to Avodah Zarah. They take 24,000 of Kahal Israel got destroyed through them, Midian and Moab. HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, go and Nekom Nikmat Midian. HaKadosh Baruch Hu tells Moshe Rabbeinu, you should go. The Lashon is Nekom Nikmat Midian, you should do it. But Moshe Rabbeinu understood that he should not go and send Pinchas. First him saying Moshe Rabbeinu that he was so eager to do the mitzvah of Hashem himself. How come he didn't go and send Pinchas? He says, even though that HaKadosh Baruch Hu told me, Nekom Nikmat Midian, he told me I should do, but Hashem doesn't mean that I should do. Because I grew up in this country, that's not nice that I go and tell them. I lived there. They did me chesed, they did me kindness. But right now they are Rishoyim. They killed, they destroyed the Kahal Israel. That's a matter. You have to make it tov. You have to show your gratitude. The sense of gratitude is whenever that you receive something good from somebody else, you have to give it back. Chobot Halevavot says the essence of a person is gratitude. Says, Ma Hashem, what does Hashem want from you? Don't say, Ma, read me. It also says that HaKadosh wants from you that you should love him, you should fear him, you should to keep all of the mitzvot, and you join him and cling to him. As Zohar say, what does Hashem want from you? Ma, don't say Ma is Ma, 100. Hashem wants from 100. What's 100? 100 brachot, blessings. When you look at the Apostle says Hashem wants from you everything. Keep all of the mitzvot. Chachamim get up and say, what does Hashem want from you? 100 blessings. What type of business is that? And they play with the word ma. Don't say ma, mean it me'ah. And Hashem wants 100 bracha from you. What is it? Yesod is, what explains that everybody has a foundation. Once you work on the root of something, a tree, you don't have to work on the leaves and branches and fruit. You have to make strong root. Once you make a strong root, then the tree is strong. Then the leaves are good, the fruit is good, the branches are good, everything is good. So what Alevavo says, the root of humanity is gratitude. Therefore, here, blessings means you bless HaKadosh Baruch Hu on the brachot, on the kindness and hatova. Once a person is like that, you're gonna be successful. Not, that's the essence of the Bria. One place. Baltimore say that if Bachu did terrible sins, terrible things, he would keep him. Somebody learns that things, and it's not naturally told. That's our card that told. Says no, we can't accept the machine. It's not hopeful. It's a very interesting idea about that. Then somebody doesn't have a card told. From Avraham Kollel, they took the Bachurim in the yeshiva, usually after Sukkot. The yeshiva Lechwood takes people after the Sukkot. There are two empty spaces to get the Bachurim. That one empty space to get Bachurim. Two Bachurim came for test to see which one to accept. And they were walking. While they were walking from the window, the yeshiva saw these two Bachurim are walking. And in front of them, there was some sechach. Because after Sukkot, some people left sechach on the way. One Bachur, one of the students, stepped on the sechach and came. The other one went around. When they came for the file for the test, the one that stepped on the sechach was a genius, such a great person. The other one was average. Avraham Kollel took that one, not this one. The other rebel that they were amazed. What? This Bachur, such a genius, such a great Bachur. You don't accept him and you accept the other one? He says, yes. So why do you like that? So it's true, I saw through the window, this person stepped on the schach. Even though that schach, right now there's a kedusha or nothing, but the person allows himself to step on the schach of a sukkah, that says something about him. It's not good. The other one went around and understood is sensitive. We could build upon. And they say, the version is that he went to other yeshiva and he never was successful. He became a great person, but his distraction was more than building. For the Avraham Chesed, one of Nozter Chesed, keep the Chesed. Now, if we want that to keep kindness with us, we should be careful any kindness that we get from anybody to keep it. Through that, we will be told that our Baruch Hu will keep kindness for us.